Now, Western Kenya leaders have urged sugarcane farmers in the region to be ready to sell their cane to Mumias Sugar Company once it resumes operations next month. The leaders, led by Kakamega Governor Fernandez Barasa, have lauded the government and urged President William Ruto to hasten the creation of a technical committee to look into the debt issue of the milling firm. The leaders who met President Ruto at State House, Nairobi this morning said the health of the state is keen on development projects in the region, including the completion of the Buhungu Stadium, Level 6 Hospital and the Kakamega International Airport. Following the revival of the operations of the sugar company, the MPs have also promised to pass zoning regulations to guide operations.
We've just had a meeting with the President to discuss the development agenda of Kakamega County, and we thought it is important just to highlight quite a number of things that we have discussed this morning. The first item on our discussion was about Mumias Sugar. We are aware about the cabinet approval of 117 billion debts that are owed by 5 factories, which did not include Mumias Sugar. So one of our discussion points that we have agreed with the President is that he's going to have a specific a team to look at the issue of debts of Mumias Sugar. But the most important thing is to ensure that the factory starts operations from 1st of December so that farmers are paid once they deliver their sugarcane.
We are quite pleased to announce to our people that from next month they'll be free to sell their cane to Mumias Sugar Company, West Kenya, Butali Sugar, Nzoia, and so on. It is true, as the governor has told us, that there was legislation under the hand of the Member of Parliament from Navajo, Emmanuel Wangwe. It has gone through the National Assembly. It is now in the Senate. In the Senate, we are supposed to agree with the version that came from the National Assembly. There isn't too much that is difficult to handle. We need to tweak it a little bit because what was in contention was the issue of zoning. We want to do the zoning so that even as we pass the law on zoning, it doesn't hurt any particular zone or any particular milling factory.